Do blackhead removal tools work? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a common beauty concern: blackhead removal tools. Are they effective, or are they just a waste of time and money? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's understand what blackheads are. Blackheads are small, black-colored bumps that form when oil and dead skin cells accumulate inside the hair follicle. They often appear on the nose, chin, and forehead, but can also be found on the chest and shoulders. Now, let's talk about blackhead removal tools. There are two main categories: physical and chemical methods. Physical methods involve using tools that scrape or peel the blackheads out, like tweezers or exfoliating patches. Chemical methods, on the other hand, involve using acids or enzymes to dissolve the blackheads. So, do blackhead removal tools work? Well, while they may not be as effective as professional removal treatments, some people do find that they can help reduce the appearance of blackheads. The main issue with these tools is that they can be painful, and using them too frequently or too aggressively can damage your skin. In my personal experience, I haven't found that blackhead removal tools are very effective. I would recommend trying a physical method, such as using a spoon or gentle scraper to remove blackheads one by one, rather than relying on a tool that may be damaging to your skin. In conclusion, while blackhead removal tools may not be as effective as some might hope, they could be a good option for those looking to reduce the appearance of blackheads at home. Remember to be gentle and avoid using them too frequently or too aggressively.